Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful beaded boho necklaces using my favorite knotting technique. You're gonna love how easy these are to make. And we're using Crystal Lane faceted glass beads. I love these beads. These necklaces are gonna look amazing with your best dress or your schlumpiest t-shirt, and they're gonna up your Zoom game, hands down. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beaded boho necklaces. These beads come in a ton of different colors, both clear and opaque, and they're super easy to work with. I couldn't help myself, I had to mix in some beads from my Czech bead recipe boxes. My knots aren't always perfect, but a tiny dot of super glue will make them super secure. This is the perfect project to mix in all of your leftover and mismatched beads because the exposed thread will help unify the design. John Bead is an amazing company. They have the most beautiful beads. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can find the beads that I use and all kinds of other terrific jewelry making supplies. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, grab any one of my books, I think you'll like them. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.